Welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we're expecting on our AUD USD. Now this, if you need to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, comment, subscribe in order for you to miss out on any updates. This is our trend on all the USD. Yeah, on a downtrend. So if we let's start this for quick analysis, this is our lower low. Here is our lower high. This is also our lower low. Consider the lower low took out its previous low. Here is our lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, our next movement for the AUD will be lower low. So we should be expecting another sell to play out on AUD USD, but only hoping for the sell once we get the sell set up. If you do not see the sell set up, it will be best you actually do not trade. You take the trade once you see the sell set up.